Oh my gosh, it's cold out there. Okay, so today, negative 20 outside. Pretty chilly, frankly. I'm out here in the gym shed in the backyard, and the gym shed temperature inside is currently 46.2. We got a little electric heater here, and this electric heater keeps it 40. Well, keeps it, hopefully it doesn't go any lower than 40, that's the intent, but on a cold day like this, I think it kind of struggles. I think it was like 36 out here, so that thing's probably just been running 1500 watt oil heater. Trying to keep it somewhat warm in here, semi-warm. Yeah, so this is the gym shed. I built it myself. Wasn't a kit or anything. Well, my dad helped me for sure. Wasn't a kit or anything, it was just, we just threw some stuff out and then put up some walls, and it's a raised wood floor. It's 12 by 16. It's got my gym equipment in there. Got a nice little shelf here with my speakers and stuff. Got some storage up above. The ceilings are 8 feet, so I'm 6'3", so for me I can lift stuff over my head and still not hit the ceiling, which is what I wanted. I got this Precore system, I forget the model. It's an older system, but it's very nice. Same one I had in my last house. And that's an Airdyne back there, like an old one from the 80s. Got it for 50 bucks. Punching bag is tied to the bench, so that way when you kick it, it doesn't go anywhere. Got an Nordertrek cross trainer. Works pretty good. I've had that for 20 years. And a bench and some free weights. And then over here I've got my work desk. I spend a lot of time out here, honestly, working my day job as well as other stuff. I really like it out here. It's got decent windows, so like when you're standing here looking at from this view, you've got a window, big French doors that I just came through, another window, and so it lets a lot of light through. Better than working in the basement for sure. It's got good audio too, so when I play music, the music sounds really good. LED lights just kind of give it an ambient glow. It's very nice. Got my old school setup here with a Focusrite. Sorry, it's very messy. Oops, go back to the... Yep. Pellet stove. Keeps this place pretty good, frankly. As you can see, it's very large. Definitely bigger than it needs to be for a shed of 200 square feet. I think this pellet stove is probably rated for, well, at least 1,000. I've just got it piped out the wall. This probably should be piped a little higher, maybe not next to the window, but I've been using it a lot for a couple years now, and it doesn't have any issues. So, pulls cold air from outside. And this, you can see, well, not really, but that's actually got ice on it because it's condensating. Warmer in here than outside, obviously, so it condensates like a soda can. So, yep. Got it on level 3 of 5. Does pretty good on level 3 of 5. I cannot run it on level 3 for much more than maybe an hour and a half. It'll be too hot in here. We'll probably see about upper 60s, maybe low 70s in an hour and a half or so at this pace. Can't really see the flame. There we go. Nice and hot. So literally an old pellet stove I got off Facebook Marketplace, 250 bucks, had to replace some parts. Pretty easy to find the parts because it's Whitmore, I think is the brand. I think that's the brand, I might be wrong. I might be saying something wrong here, but Whitfield, there we go. Yeah, works excellent. Part was probably 50 bucks. I think I top spent $300. And it does really good. It doesn't, you can run it on low with one bag of pellets for quite some time. Produces really good heat. Yeah, it's a good product for the cost for sure. And since I installed it myself, it was pretty cheap too. Yeah, see, look, the smoke out there is dwindling. Once it gets warm temps, it doesn't produce as much of that condensation air, I guess. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. All right, so that's the gym shed. Wish it was a little bit bigger. Frankly, it should be like 16 by 20, not 12 by 16. It's a little bit cramped. I would like to have I don't know, I'd like to have a chair or a desk or a couch, maybe. Not a desk, I have a desk. A chair or a couch. And then it would be nice to have a TV or something in here. It'd be cool to have all kinds of extra stuff that you could do out here. So, all right. That's all I'm going to share.